Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is I Love My Country. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, under the title of writing, we are going to learn use of pronouns. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you about substitution words. I hope you remember. So we'll extend the practice because substitution words are pronouns. So we'll follow the SLOs to fill in the missing information, to complete a simple paragraph, and identify and use pronouns in sentences. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, Allah. There is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him, nor sleep. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who is it that can intercede with Him except by His permission? Allahu Akbar. You see, my dear children, this beautiful verse tells us the authority of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the sustainer and He has control on all over the universe, in earth, or in heavens. Everything is under His control. So, my dear children, here I have encircled few words, and all these words we used for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instead of writing Allah, right? So, such type of words are known as substitution words. So, this is our today's topic. First, you tell me, do you remember what pronouns are? Do you remember? Okay, then pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered correctly that pronouns are words that are used to take the place of nouns in a sentence. They usually refer back to a noun used earlier in the sentence, and they must match the number, point of view, and gender of the noun. Okay, so pronouns are the words we use by replacing the nouns, and while replacing the noun, we should be careful about number. Like if we are replacing a plural noun, the pronoun we'll use should be plural. Okay, likewise, gender. If we are replacing a feminine noun, there should be a feminine pronoun, and what they are, we will to recall them again. First person. What is first person? The person who is talking, me. I am first person. So I, my, me. These three can be pronouns for first person singular. Likewise, if first person is more than one, it becomes we. So we, are, and us. These are pronouns for first person plural. Okay. Then second person, and what is second person? You, to whom I'm talking. You and your are pronouns for second person, and for singular and plural, these are same. Now comes the third person. Who is third person? Who is not around. Maybe a person who is somewhere else and we are talking about that person over here. There can be three situations. Either the person is a male. If a person is male, then pronouns we will use are he, his, and him. Third person singular male. Third person singular female, she and her. Okay. For example, okay, I'll explain these pronouns with examples. Just wait a minute. And if it's third person, Non-living, then it will be it or its, or it can be used for animals as well. Okay, but in all three situations, if third person is plural, we'll use they, their and them. These are third person plural pronouns. Okay, first you just find out these are all the pronouns. How do we use them? I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to tell you how we use it. I am so happy. Okay, so I have placed, instead of giving my name, I have used I am so happy because my mother. Now my is telling, again, it's first person singular pronoun of possession, and gave me, it's third person singular pronoun of objective. She gave me. So I was the one who received. So my mother gave me my favorite lunch today. Okay, so this is how instead of noun we use these pronouns, and they should, you see, I'm so happy because my mother gave me. If I instead of my and me I use any other word, it will be wrong. So I have to use correct pronouns. Are you getting it? That's why this I, my, me, my, these are pronouns for first person. Whenever I'm talking about first person, these are the pronouns I will use. Okay, and if it's we are so happy because now I will not say my mother, our mother. Now we are happy, so it's our mother and she gave us. Our mother gave us. This is how better we use pronouns, and then we use pronouns accordingly. They should be correct. Okay. Then second person, kindly you come with me and take your notebook. Okay, because I want you to bring your notebook. So I have used your notebook from my room. Okay. Ali is my brother. Now you see, Ali is a noun. He takes care of his toys. Now instead of writing Ali again, I have used a pronoun, and that is he. So it's, as I told you, third person singular, Ali, and to replace it I have used third person singular male, he. You are getting it? He take care of his toys. Because he is male, so his should also be according to. Okay, and I like to play with him. Are you getting it? Ali, because Ali is a boy, that's why all the pronouns I have used are pronouns of third person male. He, his, him. Right? Likewise, Amina is my sister. Now I'm talking about a girl. So to replace this noun, I'll use she. She likes to read her books. I learn my many things from her. Now because I'm talking about a girl, that's why I have used she, her and her. You are getting it? How do we use these pronouns? Good job. Mano is my pet. Now it's an animal. So Mano, that's why I will replace it with it. It is just 6 months old. It licks its paws. Now you see, its paws to clean them. Right? Now it's time to use they, Ali and Amina. Now I'm talking about two persons. They are plural. That's why I will use the plural category of pronoun. Are my elder siblings. They do their homework daily. All the teachers like them. Getting it? Very nice. But this is what we practice, and we should be careful about these things, that they should be correct. So it's a simple practice from your book. After understanding all the pronouns, you have to open your book, and what you will do, complete the sentences by providing information about your brother or sister. If you will write your brother, so you will have to take the male pronouns, and if you are writing about your sister, you will take pronouns for females. Now it's a test. So pause the video, complete this exercise on your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? You find it easy? Good job. So here is an activity, a very interesting activity. It is given in your book. You have to draw. Map is given to you. So you have to draw the same map in your notebook. So pause the video, draw the beautiful map of our country. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. Find and encircle pronouns from your lesson. We just read it, so you have to find and encircle pronouns from it. So here is a worksheet. Again, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will choose the pronouns to fill in the blanks. There are 2 activities on this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned to fill in the missing information to complete a simple paragraph, and we learned to identify and recognize the function of pronouns, and we learned to identify and use pronouns in sentences. In this way, we achieved our SLOs to fill in the missing information to complete a simple paragraph and identify and use pronouns in sentences. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.